Let f is a function defined from Zm to Zn be a group homomorphism, then number of onto homomorphism can be find phi n if n divides n, and number of 1 homomorphism can be find by phi m if m divide n. Means this is a homomorphism, suppose, then Zm to Zn, then we have to check onto Zm to Zn. This is a homomorphism. Then we have to check on how to check onto. From we take one element from this and check its premise in domain is exist or not. Then n is coming here, so n divide m. Then onto homomorphism. It's a trick how to remember these points. Onto homomorphism by phi n, because n is coming in codomain, and 1 homomorphism by phi m is in domain phi m if m divides n. This is a formula to check 1 and onto for a homomorphism. Now, how to use this one? Suppose f is a function defined z12 to z30, then someone can ask, there exists a onto homomorphism. Homomorphism. This is first, and second, there exists a 1 homomorphism, because for onto 30 should divide 12 for onto homomorphism, but 30 doesn't divide 12, so there is no onto homomorphism, so this is a false statement. Same here, 12 doesn't divide 30, so there is no 1 homomorphism. So this is the application, how to apply this formula. It's a very important formula in group theory.